Hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to sell on Etsy and Printful. Printful is one of the most popular print-on-demand platforms around, and you can get started for completely free using it. All you'll need to do is go onto printful.com, and from there you can create an account using your email address. And it is the same to set up an account on Etsy. So if you don't have an account already on Etsy, you're going to go onto etsy.com, and from there you can sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up to both platforms, I want you to go onto printful.com, and from there you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to tap on stores. After selecting stores, from here you can see that I've already connected my Etsy account. But to connect your Etsy account, all you'll need to do is scroll down, and you're going to tap on choose platform. Then from there you're going to see Etsy, and you're going to tap on connect. After you have tapped on connect, the same Etsy account that you're logged into, you will simply select it, and you can quickly integrate it. It is quite straightforward and easy. Once you have done that, all you'll need to do now, from there we can tap on add product right beside Etsy. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And from here you can select the product that you would like to add onto your Etsy store. So what type of product would you like to add your design to? Whether it is men clothing, whether it is women's clothing, kids clothing, hats, accessories, home and living, whichever one of these options suits you, you can choose a category right there. Or you can simply tap in search products in the search bar in the top right hand corner, and from there you can search for the product that you would like to add your design to. Now let's say we'd like to add our design to this t-shirt. All you'll need to do is simply tap on it. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll be able to upload your design. Better yet, to upload your design, you could tap on uploads from the left hand menu option. Or if it is a case that you would like to use their pre-made clip arts, you could tap on clip arts right there, and you could select one of the clip arts. Or if it is a case that you would like to add text, you can do that. Now let's say you would like to upload your design. All you'll need to do, if you don't have a design already, you could go onto canva.com. Once on canva.com, from there you could type in t-shirt. So let's do that real quick. You could type in t-shirt real quick. Then from there you can see numerous t-shirt logo templates that you can choose from. So you can simply scroll down until you have found one that you like. And by the way, the ones that you see with the crown that says Pro, you would have to be a paid subscriber to use that particular template. Now, there are numerous ones that you can use for free. Let's say, for example, this one right here. I'll simply tap on customize this template. Then from there, I'm going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can edit it, so you could tap on the template and you could change the color, or you could add more text by tapping on text from the left hand menu option. All I would simply do is delete this. Then I'm going to tap on share in the top right hand corner, then tap on download, then tap on download once more. Once my design has been downloaded, I'm going to go back into Printful, and I'm going to tap on uploads from the left hand menu option, and I'm going to tap on upload new file. Then I'm going to select my design, then tap on open. Then you're going to give it a few seconds while it is being added. Once it has been added, all you'll need to do now, you can select it. As you can see right here, it has now been added. After you have done that, you can see how it looks, so you can see it right there. Then you can also choose whether you would like to add it to the back of the shirt, the outside label, the inside label, the right sleeve or the left sleeve. You can do that. After doing that, you're going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on continue, from here you'll be able to choose your mock-up. So you can choose to either create custom mock-ups or you can choose basic mock-ups. I would normally recommend that you select basic mockups, and you can see the different mockup images right here that you can choose from. So you can select whichever one of these styles you like to use. I'm going to be using this one. Then I'm going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. Then from here you can edit the product title. So let's say, for example, I'll just name this Simple Answers Premium Unisex T-shirt. I leave it as is. Then I'm going to tap on continue once more. After tapping on continue, from here you can set your price, and if you like to offer free shipping, you can toggle on free shipping right there. But to set your price, you can simply increase your retail price right here. You can do that if you want, or you can set the price that you would like to sell it for. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on submit to store, and you're going to give it a few seconds while the product is being added. And you can see that it is being pushed to your Etsy store. Once it has been added to your Etsy store, you'll be able to view it from here, and you'll be able to continue editing your listing. So you can see right there, it has now been added to my Etsy store. So all I would need to do is simply scroll down. Then from there, I can tap on the three dots. After tapping on the three dots, if you would like to edit the prices in the future, you can do that. Also, to edit it in Etsy, you'll tap on edit in Etsy right there. And you can see the product right here. These are some products that I've added in the past from Printful. Now you can see the product right here. I could simply tap on it, and you can see that the mockup image has been added. And by scrolling down, you can also see that the information has been filled in. So all you'll need to do is simply tap on save and continue, and from there you'll be able to continue your upload, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. You can see right here, if I were to go back into Printful, you can add more products if you want to your store. So all you would need to do is simply go over to the left hand menu option, and from there you could tap on product catalog, and then from there you can search for more products, and you could add more products to your store if you want. So you can see you could create women crop tees. You can also sell leggings if you want. You can sell caps if you want. There are numerous product options that you can choose from, and you could add your design to. And you can also monitor your sales, and you can also customize different stuff on Printful. So for example, you could go over to the left hand menu option, and you could tap on branding. After selecting branding, from here you can customize your order tracking page. You can also customize your packaging slip. You can also customize the thank you card that customers will receive with their purchase. You could customize that if you want. So you can edit all of those in this platform. It is quite easy to use, and it is very easy to customize. So I would definitely recommend Printful if you plan on selling print-on-demand products on Etsy. Best of luck, and thank you for watching this tutorial once more.